Hello everyone, my name is Sumusime Ella, and here I'm going to take you through the processes of making ghee. At MSC, when we finish milking cows and the milk remains, we don't just take it to waste, we use it for making ghee. So what we do, we get our milk and put it in a refrigerator for some time, then we'll get it out and get off the cream. Then we'll either churn it or shake it for like an hour. Then we cook it to preserve it. We also make ice cream. The first step is we get our milk, we get CMC, we get glucose and sugar. So we mix that CMC, glucose and sugar together. Then we put it in the milk. Then we add any flavor of our choice. Then we sell our ice cream. And right there we have our ice cream machine.
Uganda Development Forum, UDF, fostering development.